What's going on, everybody? Justin with Hills Home Loans. Starting a new series on this channel. We're going to go over a Homeownership 101, simple repairs, things like that to help you guys save money. Today, first episode, we're going to be replacing a screen and a screen door. The materials we're going to need today is going to be mesh, spline, screwdriver, and your spline tool. You will also need a utility knife. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna start in a corner, start pulling up the spline, the old spline, and ripping it out all the way around. You're gonna have to remove the handle. Once you remove the spline all the way around, just rip up the screen. The screen will come right out. You're gonna unroll your new screen and just roll it all the way down. Give yourself enough overhang on each side. And then from here, you just take the spline tool, you press the corner in there, you turn it around and you run it through. Once you come to a corner, you grab the little screwdriver tip, you force it in, and then same thing, you just roll down. Once you come to the very end, you press it in, press it in. All right, now this is where you have to be super careful. Once you've replaced and put the spline in, you got to cut off all this excess. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna tuck the material back. And very gently with a utility knife, cut through. This is what the screen will look like after you finish cutting all the excess material off.